Welcome to Srisha Kids Zone. Today start learning numbers 81 to 90 with spelling. 81 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 O-N-E-1 81 82 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 T-W-O-2 82 83 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 T-H-R-W-3 83 84 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 F-O-U-R-4 84 85 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 F-I-V-E 5 85 86 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 S-I-X 6 86 87 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 S-E-V-E-N 7 87 88 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 E-I-G-H-T-8 88 89 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 N-I-N 9 89 90 N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 Thanks for watching our channel. Like and subscribe the channel.